Hi everyone, Brandon here from IHT. I want to take a minute and talk to you about an important update regarding the Sony readers and what we're seeing across schools. As many of you know, the Sony readers are end of life. They're no longer supported by Sony, which means our team can't reliably support them either. On top of that, with ongoing Windows updates, we're seeing more and more cases where the Sony reader stops working. Because of that, we've been proactively moving schools to our newer system, the IHT Classroom App. The Classroom App replaces both the Sony reader and the desktop software. You'll still use the IHTSpirit.com platform, but now everything runs through Bluetooth using a Chromebook, a tablet, or an Android device. There's some really big features and benefits here. It allows you to turn all your monitors on and off at the same time, and it speeds up the pickup and return process. And it's much more modern and a reliable system overall. Now, the good news is, if you have existing 2.0 or 3.0 monitors, you can switch them into Bluetooth mode and use the new Classroom app. To do that, you'll go to your desktop software, click on Settings, find App Mode Switch, and place each monitor on the reader to convert it. Once all the monitors are in Bluetooth mode, you're all set and you can use the new Classroom app. A couple more important notes. If your monitors start with a firmware 2 and a number, those are 2.0 monitors. These stopped being manufactured in 2019. If you have an Adidas logo on your monitor, those are also 2.0 monitors. You can check all your monitors out and see what firmware they have on the IHTSpirit.com dashboard. If your reader isn't working, we do have a backup option called the Teddy app that will help you do this. Our biggest recommendation is don't wait. You can continue to use the reader for now, but if it stops working, you may lose the ability to switch your monitors into Bluetooth mode. It's not a matter of if, but when. We really encourage you to make this transition now so you're set up for the next school year. Your customer success managers are here to help. Feel free to grab a time off our calendars and we could walk you through this step by step. Thank you.